Got a question here on differentiation. Looks very straightforward. We just need to find the gradient function dy dx, plug in the value of x, which will be 5, and see what happens. Let's have a go. Okay, there's our function. The gradient function dy dx is formed by looking at the power of the x term, which in this case is 2, multiplying it by the coefficient, but then reducing the power of that x term by 1. So this will become 4x. Effectively, there's a missing 1 there. So 1 times 12 is 12. Reducing the power will be x to the 0, which will always be 1. So our gradient function is 4x minus 12. This gradient function tells us the gradient of the curve at any value of x. So all we need to do is sub in the value of x is equal to 5, and that will give us the gradient of this curve at the point P. So sub x is equal to 5 dy dx is equal to 4 times 5, which is 20, minus 12, which is equal to 8. And that is your answer.